Hello, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to backup or restore your WhatsApp messages. So what you need to do is first of all go to your WhatsApp. Right, once your WhatsApp has loaded, now what you need to do is you need to simply go and click on the three dots on the top right corner. Right, click on the three dots and after that this window will pop up. Now what you need to do is you need to click on settings. After clicking on setting, you will go to your setting page. Right now what we want to do is basically scroll down and select chats. Right, click on chats, and after that what you need to do is look into the last section of this window. You would see two options, chat history and chat backup. Now we are interested in backing up our chat, so we click on chat backup. Now this is the window where we land, and now here you can basically back up your chat. So what you want to do is you first of all need to add a Google account. By clicking on Google account, you will see that all the accounts that are logged in onto your phone, or you can add another account by simply clicking on here, and it'll take you here and you can sign in into another Google account. So we're going to go back. If you have signed in into your Google account, after that it's going to ask you for the Google Drive permission. And once you grant the permission, what's going to happen is basically you can now click on the backup, and it's going to take a moment, and after that it's going to back up your chat. So furthermore, I should tell you that it first creates a local backup on your phone storage, and after that uploads that backup it created to the drive, the Google Drive that you have attached. You can also enable end-to-end encrypted backup, so basically it can't be logged onto another WhatsApp account, or sometimes you basically switch contacts in your WhatsApp, then you can't basically restore it on your that number, right? Because basically the key has changed. Or you can also click here and set an interval for backup. Basically that can be daily, weekly or monthly, or even you press the backup button. So I set that to never. So basically this is how you backup your WhatsApp chat. So now for restoring, when you what you need to do is you need to make sure two things. The first thing is that Google account that you took the backup on should be logged in on your phone that you are going to restore that chat on, right? So you need to log in that Gmail account or the Google account on that phone. And after that, when you sign in with your contact or with your phone number, what's basically gonna happen is it's gonna detect the backup, and it's gonna tell you that the backup and this phone number are the same. So it's gonna detect it, and you can then restore your chat back to your phone. So that's pretty much how you back up and restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.